Hello fellow riders, just a quick video to show you how to adjust your clutch cable on your Hyosung GT650 and GT650R. And I'm pretty sure it's the same on any bike with a clutch cable. What you need is the spanner, which comes with your tool bag, if you got the bike new, or if the previous owner didn't lose it or keep it for himself. You use the size 12 to loosen this lock nut here. So you just loosen it. And after you've loosened it, you use the size 10, the other side, to adjust the cable. It would be easier if you have two of these, so you can hold one side and adjust the other. Now here's a simple way to explain it on how to go looser or tighter. Imagine yourself holding the cable from each side. If you pull them apart, then you're tightening the cable, and if you bring them closer together, that way you are loosening it. Before learning how to do this, it was quite intimidating, but it ended up being such a simple job that I had no reason to be intimidated. Now you want to do most of your adjustment on this side, and then minor tweaks from the lever side. So now you come on this side, removing this rubber cover. You will find the adjustment for the clutch cable. You have here the lock nut, and here you adjust it. So just like the other side, you just loosen this lock nut and then adjust to your liking using this one. This is just for minor tweaks. As I've mentioned, the bulk of the adjustment will be on the other side. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more videos in the future, and thanks for watching.